What's up, everyone? Many of you have requested a gaming test on some popular titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, Free Fire, Asphalt 9, and Carx. Today, I will be sharing my thoughts on these games and whether the Infinix Note 35G is a worthy purchase. Just to recap, the Infinix Note 35G boasts some impressive specs. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This setup is more than capable of handling multiple tasks and most popular games. One standout feature is its 6.7-inch IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This not only provides a smooth visual experience but also offers longevity compared to AMOLED displays, which are prone to burn in and image retention. The 240 Hz touch sampling rate ensures precise touch input, perfect for gamers who appreciate low latency, much like the high speed click rate you'd expect from gaming mice by brands like Logitech and Razer. Additionally, the Infinix Note 35G introduces bypass charging, a feature previously unseen in phones under the 10,000 price point. Infinix Mobile is becoming a top choice for gaming smartphones while it may not have the build quality of an Asus ROG smartphone, which many can't afford. It's a practical choice, especially if your primary purpose is gaming. In terms of software, the Infinix Note 35G runs on Android 13 with Infinix XOS 13 skin on top. The phone is equipped with a hefty 5000 mAh battery, ensures that you can get a full day's use, even if you spend a couple of hours gaming. Speaking of gaming performance, titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, Free Fire, Mobile Legends, and Asphalt 9 run smoothly on this device, making it satisfying choice for FPS enthusiasts. However, when it comes to CarX Street, despite the phone's ability to handle the game on high graphic settings or even low graphic settings, the experience isn't as smooth. For this game, you'll need a more powerful processor. In summary, the Infinix Note 35G is a practical choice for gamers, especially considering its price and the use of an IPS LCD display. It may not have the extravagance of high end gaming smartphones, but it offers a solid gaming experience without breaking the bank. If you like this video, hit that like button, or much better, just subscribe.